Alright, what is up everybody? My name is Saintslayer Gaming and welcome to Will You Press the Button? So, this is the first thing I'm actually recording on this new phone and the first time I'm recording in a while. So, I also just got my computer back. So be happy. There are things happening. So, first one, you can never get sick. But you can't take baths or showers. Well, I don't really get sick much anyway, so I did just throw up last night, but whatever. I will not. I'm fine with getting sick. Okay. You gain the power to heal any and all children of life-threatening illness and grant them good health for the rest of their lives. But their parents becomes your slaves once the children are old enough to care for themselves and can never see one another again. First off, if they're my slaves, couldn't I just be able to say, go away? Just leave me alone, go take care of your children? Go see your children? Seriously. That's a plot hole. But, still no. Yeah, this guy gets it. If they're my slaves, can't I just free them? It's not a good one. You can access the internet through your brain, but you are constantly aware of all of it, even the darkest, deepest corners of it. So, basically, everything on the internet is in my brain constantly. Wouldn't that mean I have the largest wealth of information on the planet? Or just in my brain? I think that would kill me, first off, so no. Or at least, it would probably kill me, yeah. You could have internet anywhere, but you could never watch any movies in your life. No, I like watching movies. I love Lord of the Rings and Star Wars and Harry Potter and other. I will watch films, not movies. No such is this here in the UK. What? Well, you get turned into a beautiful girl. You have the brains of a bimbo. No. Neither of those, please. None. I don't want any of those. I'm already a girl, this person says. So, well, if you're watching this video, which you're probably not, Annabelle Marie, it says beautiful girl, and how did you do this 47 years ago? That's a bad one. Your loved ones are eternally happy. You are eternally depressed. Story of my life. That's a joke. Kind of. I will not press that button, though. Do you mean my life? Exactly. Yes, these people get it. You will invent time travel? No. People will use it to go back in time to make sure this button is never pressed. I hope they would. Make it so that 100% of people are pushed. Yes, I agree with this person. The creators of this website really ought to have make it so that 100%. I guess, yeah. I guess actually that's decent grammar. I was bad there. You save your daughter from a fatal car accident in high school. First off, don't have a daughter. 2, probably never will have a daughter. Yeah. And 3, probably wouldn't make it to high school because I would be a terrible. And that last one, just no. I would be a terrible father. No child I have will make it there. Yeah, this person, I agree with this person. It's a bad one. You will acquire a considerably sized vocabulary such that all people will automatically assume that you are a class member of the intelligent. I don't know what that means. I feel like I should look this up. I'm going to look this up. Just real quick. Here, look at this D20 I have. Just stare at that. Just stare at that. Okay. How do you spell it? Intel. Intellectuals are highly educated people as a group, especially when regarded as possessing cultural or political influence. Okay. So that is. Not really. I don't really care. You will forever speak in such a variety of antiquated linguistics and that word that your verbose diction will be incomprehensible to the mass public. Kind of like this was. I think I'm pretty smart. If I were to have a statistics sheet for Dungeons and Dragons and my stats were there, I'd probably have a intelligence of at least 15. And a strength score of 5. So yeah, I'm fine without a massive thing. Who else skipped because they're too lazy to read it? There's a skip button? No. Your breath can cure people. I don't think they would like that. You can't taste anything sweet. No, I don't think anyone would like me breathing on them. You get free coffee from Starbucks. You have to donate some money to a homeless. First off, don't drink coffee. Second off, I'll just give money to a homeless person. JFK wasn't assassinated. Okay, first off, I don't want... You can probably have guessed this by now. I don't want to go back in time. I don't want anything to mess with time. Sarah Palin runs for the next election and wins. I don't know who that is. No. Okay, so this is going to be the last one. You can read anyone's mind at any time. Interesting. Whoever it is will feel you invading their mind and know it was you. Thing is, it's a thing you can do. Sure, I'll do it. So, yeah. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you all did enjoy, and enjoy this D20.